So ladies and gents, welcome to this video. So in this video, as I said, I'm going to be documenting my journey. So before anything, okay, before I move on to like scaling and everything, I have to reverse map everything in my business. I mean every minute details and every, if I'm a very, logic guy, logical thinking. I need everything on point, okay. I'm not a perfectionist. I'm not telling that I'm perfectionist. No, I want my numbers to be very clear so that I can take risk. I can make big moves. Okay. So now I am completely reverse mapping my journey now. As I said, my goal is to scale beyond 5 lakh per month, and I will show you how I'm going to scale that through this journey. So the first thing that I'm doing is reverse mapping entire thing. I mean, how many clients do I need? How many? Obviously, I cannot manage many clients at once. In the scaling phase, I want to be focusing on the front end of the business. I mean, getting sales, making sure the the delivery quality is good, and the client relationship with us is very good, and we are able to fulfill all the things that we have promised for client. How will I be able to do that if I'm completely occupied in service delivery? That's not going to happen. So I have to have service delivery outsourced, not completely outsourced. I will bring some people in house and make them deliver the service, and I will take care of the front end communication and everything, because I have been doing this for around like 1.5 years. I know how to deliver the service. I have to create SOPs around that and give it to the service provider so that they can completely take care of it. So that's one thing. And how I'm looking things now is completely different. I want to just be the eagle, like have an eagle eye view on everything, like every operation of the business, like everything, like the lead flow, the sales, the cash flow, what are we spending on softwares, how is the service delivery, and like these are like multiple departments. I should be like just flying around it, seeing everything, how is it going, how this system is, the operating, how well oiled is this. My whole sole job is to just make this streamlined, make this automated, make this so sleek that like onboarding is so damn easy with our agency. So I'm working on that. It's going to definitely take some time. I have to do it because I have been procrastinating on this for a very long time now, and the reverse mapping is going on the other side. I have started creating content for my agency, socials. Okay, not the video content, not video content. I'm very good at writing copies. So I am creating Instagram posts, and I'm also planning to repurpose that content on LinkedIn as well, because LinkedIn you get very green audience who are willing to buy. So I'm doing that, and also like giving the call to action to fill the leads pipeline before I go ahead and start taking sales call. And also I had one of my clients VSL script ready today, and it got approved. We are going to launch that VSL, and in their company I have around 30% share on the revenue that we generate from this campaign, from their business. That's the long run, and I am thinking that in the scaling process I need to focus more on going on revenue sharing model, because there the actual money is. If I'm going in on revenue sharing model, I'll be able to go all in into their business, fix every loopholes that they have, to make their funnel so optimized that the customer acquisition journey becomes so easy for them. I can do that, but if they go on just fix it retainer fee, that's not going to happen, because we are only going to take care of the marketing department. I am trying to communicate with the client that it's not only important that you are good at front end and generating leads. You need to also be good at to take this entire leads data and squeeze as much as possible, and you get more and more sales, and more and more revenue to the business, and not in a the hard sell, the pushy sales way, but in an actual genuine way to help them. Okay, so this is only going to happen when I have a revenue sharing model, when I can go all in and help the clients, like this is, you need to tweak here, you need to open this system, you need to do that, you need to do this. And once I get access to the revenue sharing model, I can go all in, fix everything, and good case studies will come up. That's what I'm looking to. And yeah guys, this is what it's going on now. And yeah, I have been trying multiple different schedules, but what I what's working for me is just taking 7-day commitments, 7 days work. Like I will in the Notion, I like jot down so much to do in 7 days. These are the work that need to be done in 1 week, and I break it down to 1 day to dos, and I'm just crushing all of those to do daily to dos, and it's been insane. It's the 3rd day of me doing that, and yeah, it's going very well. And yesterday I actually had a to record a video, but I couldn't record it because of the heavy work that I was doing, and I didn't want it to divert my focus from my business and start recording. Okay, and today I got some time. That's what I'm doing right now, and I'll be sharing many videos with you. So make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel to more about agency and other stuff. I'll very soon, in a month or so, I will be also recording videos, actual education videos. Okay, this are kind of like the backend operations videos. The education videos are on the way, guys, but I need to find some time to fit in to my calendar to record those videos. For now, this is what is going on. Catch you guys in another video. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram on that